What up, what up, what up? It's your girl Raah Vibez here with the dancehall move of the week. Today we have a dance for the people. It's called Ravers Rock by Donte Ravers from Ravers Rock. Let's go.
Bad man, make your dance up. Worlding. What a dance bad, what a dance nice. Have me a rave and a rock all night. Dante, you not see that one I give people life. Look, how them a go along when them a rock left to right. I'm a terror fact, catch the vibes. Look how they still a do it even do him shirt tie.
So this move is more of a freestyle kind of street flow dancehall. Alright? So I will show you some basic foundational parts of it, maybe some basic variations, but it's really up to you to add your swag, your style, your flavor, all the goodness, all right? So we want to start with our hands kind of like at our chest, right? And really you want to push out with your right, push out with your left, push out with your right, push out with your left, okay? At the same time, you're rocking with it, you're really grooving. So when you push out, you kind of want to bring your shoulders with each push, okay? So kind of the most basic form of this move, you want to rock, 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 dip, rock, 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 dip, rock, 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 dip, rock, 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 dip, okay? Now, the variation that you can do, the same rocking movement, boom, 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 but you want to kick out with your leg. When you kick out, you kind of push your body back, all right? So that's rock, 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 kick, rock, 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 kick, rock, 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 kick, rock, 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 kick. And in that variation, you see the kick kind of just replaces the dip, okay? And that's pretty much all there is to it, you know? Just add your swag, hey, add your swag, hey, add, hey, 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 hey. Let's do it with the music, hey.
Very easy, I feel the public. Lean with the body, rock then you dip it. I ding dong, Greg Vice me a sing this. History I make, everybody witness. How with the rhythm I make, the dance fitness. Ravers, heal and sickness. Go! Ravers Rock. Everybody, make the rock so. Ravers Rock. Let me rock. Ravers Rock. Catch the flow, now you know. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
And that was Ravers Rock by Donte Ravers from Ravers Rock. Make sure you bust that one out at the next function. Round of applause. Great job, y'all. And remember, practice makes progress. Once again, I'm Raah Vibez. Thanks for tuning in and make sure to subscribe, follow me on social media, and sign up for my newsletter at rahvibez.com for more dance tutorials.